Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out on Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first thing that we want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up Monopoly Go, and from here what we need to do is we need to locate our settings. So our settings are actually located in the profile section on Monopoly Go. So from here, just click on the three bar icon that you see at the top right of your screen, and you want to go to the settings. Now under settings, you'll have these informations and buttons here, but what you need to do is just click on the connect account section there, and when you click on that, you will see this information here. So you have the sign in Facebook, sign in with Google, with contacts. Now if you've already connected your account in Facebook or even in Google Play, so what you need to do here to log out or to sign out is just click on the disconnect button there, and from here it's going to ask you, are you really sure? So if you're sure that you want to log out, just click on disconnect, and from here, as you can see, we've just successfully logged out or signed out from Monopoly Go. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.